Hello world. Welcome to Dubai. Dubai is a city built on big dreams and bold ideas. People from all over the world come here to chase success, inspired by the city's unstoppable energy. With over 250 towering buildings, it's a symbol of what ambition can achieve. The Burj Khalifa alone, which could house 35,000 people, that's like a whole town inside one building. Dubai isn't just about luxury. Its metro carries more than 200 million passengers annually, while buses add another 150 million. This makes public transport efficient and affordable for everyone. You'll find communities blending residential, commercial, and leisure spaces. More than 8,000 restaurants cater to every taste, while over 5,000 parks offer serene spaces.